In this video, we're going to reveal the extremely satisfying cleaning process of this beautiful Mustang. So let's waste no time and take a look at the condition of this car. Clearly, it's in dire need of a transformation, so let's get started with the wheels. The wheel cleaner is used to dissolve all of that dirt and brake dust, as I then scrub these wheels down. For the best detailing products that keep your car looking fresh, visit TinoCarCare.com. Get ready to witness something extraordinary, the beautiful Tino pink snow foam. Subscribe if you're enjoying this. All of that dirt is washed away with ease. Let's bid farewell to the colored snow foam and move on to hand washing the Mustang. If you are curious about anything or need any questions answered, feel free to drop a comment below and I'll try my best to get back to you.
So chaps, if you're walking in the hot weather like today, always cool down the car like this. Stop things from drying.
The dirtier, lower portions are hand washed last. Let's rinse off the shampoo and reveal a cleaner Mustang Mach 1. stay tuned chaps, as we're gonna go for a ride with the owner of this car. To keep this American muscle car cleaner for longer and repel dirt, we're adding a layer of hydrophobic protection. Our secret weapon? The Tino ceramic snow foam, making water bead up and roll off effortlessly. Take a look at that incredible beading effect. Water simply glides off this Mustang's surface. We're now drying the Mach 1, ensuring a spotless finish. What are your thoughts on this car? Drop your comments below and rate it out of 10. Glass cleaning is up next, enhancing the overall clarity. These are the turbo watches, which are the sponsors of today's video. They are inspired by your favorite cars and actually have a 360 spinning wheel. So be sure to check out the amazing range of watches on their website, turbowatches.shop. The link is in the description. We're starting with the interior, where a professional vacuum will work its magic. Watch as the vacuum effortlessly picks up dried dirt. Don't overlook those corners. It's time for a specialized deep clean to truly restore this Mustang's interior. All of the levers and plastics are given a rejuvenating clean. Prepare to be amazed as we give this car an unforgettable shine using the Tino exterior detailer. We can't forget about the tires. They receive a special shine to complete this astonishing detail. And here are your results. Enjoy! admire that astonishing shine. This Mustang is back to its absolute best, so now let's take a ride with the owner of this masterpiece.
So first of all, I would like to thank you for allowing us to come on this ride along with you.
It's a pleasure, Tino.
First time I'm going to be in a Mustang, so I'm going to enjoy this experience.
Okay.
So am I right in saying that this is a Mustang Mach 1?
Yeah, it's a special edition Mustang.
Was it difficult to acquire one here in the UK?
That's a good question. There aren't very many Mach 1s in the UK. There's only about 300 or 400 issues. So this car took me quite a while to acquire, but it was worth it.
And I've noticed you have a lot of mods. Could you tell us more about these modifications you've made to your car?
So there are a lot of modifications to this car, both performance and cosmetic. The cosmetic ones, as you noted, the bonnet is carbon fiber, as is the front grille, the rear deck lid, the rear spoiler and flap. I also had the brake calipers painted blue to match the car. And then on the interior, we obviously have the carbon fiber dashboard, steering wheel, coin tray, blue seat belts, and gear selector as well. And then there's a number of performance upgrades, which together increases the peak horsepower from about 460 to over 530.
Wow. And does it handle nicely as you're putting your foot down?
It's pretty good about putting the power down. But obviously, if you want to spin the tires, you can for a bit of fun.
That's amazing. Felt like I was in a rocket. Wow. What are the good points about this car, in your opinion?
Firstly, it's a comfortable car sitting in here.
Yeah, I can highly tell you that it is.
I like the fact that the car sounds great. Gives you that kind of real driving experience.
True. And you must get a lot of looks from people when you're driving down the street.
You do. You get quite a few looks. Some people wonder what kind of car it is. And even those who know Mustangs, you know, see the carbon fiber bonnet and the scoop and everything and kind of do a double take.
Yeah, I was definitely one of those people. So you mentioned the good things. Are there any bad things in your opinion about this car?
Well, nothing's perfect. It's quite a large car, and particularly as we're driving around central London, you need to be mindful of the car size. And also, now that it has that much lower front spoiler, you need to be cautious over your speed.
I knew this car was powerful, but I didn't expect it to be that powerful. I detect an American accent. Are you from the United States of America?
I am. I grew up in the States, but I moved here over 2 decades ago. One other reason I decided to buy a Mustang, which I thought it would be fun to have an American car in the UK.
Do you prefer it here in the UK or in America?
Oh, I enjoy being here in the UK a lot, especially like London. You know, there's a lot to do, so many different things, different people. I like America too, but I've enjoyed my time here for sure.
For example, for me, it's always been a dream of mine to visit America, especially Miami, because I used to watch CSI Miami back in the old days.
Or maybe he got taken for a ride.
It's a great place. It's very large.
Is there like a major difference in terms of the roads comparing the UK to America? Because I know in the UK we have a lot of really tight roads. How about in America? Are they a lot larger?
Typically the American roads are much wider, which makes driving these larger American cars a little bit easier.
Have you gotten used to driving on the right side?
It took a little while. In fact, I had another Mach 1 before this one, which you worked on as well. And that car was a manual. And shifting with my left hand definitely took a little getting used to.
Okay.
I think I have the hang of it now.
Yeah, I can tell from your driving you've become an expert on the right side.
Be sure to like, comment and subscribe, and here are 2 more videos I think you'd love.